We actually were new to town. We moved to West Springfield, and I can't remember which car, but all of our cars were breaking down at that point in time. We live a mile down the road, if that. I was just like, why don't we go here? And I walked into the door, and I was talking to a gentleman that was walking out. I'm like, how is this place? He's like, I followed them. He's like, I'll always bring every single one of my cars here. He's like, you will be fine if you come here. I said, okay. I used to have a Jeep, and that thing had every issue known to man, though I loved it. But we've had problems with the cars, with oil, with gas leaks, with the red light coming on, everything. I had an engine explode. That was fun. Precision has done amazing with that. Like, they've taken care of everything. If there's ever been any worry or something that they think would come up, they'll tell us. They're like, hey, you should really get this fixed because it could be more worrisome down the road.